Hey, I'm going to work this one out. I hope you're all having a good Wednesday. Name and a comment at the top. Okay, here we go. Write a for loop to print 17 through 27 on one line. For, so int I always like to use I, you don't have to, equals 17, semicolon, I less than 28. We're going to keep going as long as I is less than 28, and I plus plus. Now, you could have said less than or equal to 27. What we're looking for here is a Boolean expression that when it's true, the loop will still run. But, I normally would just, not sure what just happened there. I'm going to just say less than 28 because I just think that's simpler. All right, I'm going to hit enter, open up curly brackets. System.out.print I plus space. And then when this for loop's over, I'm going to print a blank line. Doesn't say that in the instructions, but if I didn't do that, then the next for loop would just print over. I'm sure you all saw that about to happen. If you don't put this print here, then the next one will print at the end here, and I want it to print on a new line. Write another for loop to print 50 through 95 going by fives on one line. So, I'm going to just copy this whole block. Does that make me a lazy person? I don't think so. I'm just saving myself time. I'm going to go from 50. We're going to keep going as long as I is less than 100, I'm going to say, because 95 is less than 100. And then I'm going to say I plus equals 5. That means we're going to go up by 5. So let's see how that works. Okay. Yeah, I got that. Fine. I'm going to copy this whole thing again. And we're going to go from 6 to -4, all on one line going down. So I'm going to start at 6. We're going to switch this, I greater than -5. And then to go down by 1, we can just say I minus minus. And that gives us 6 down to -4, all in one line. And then lastly, write a for loop with another for loop inside of it to print the times tables from 10 to 13. So this one I'll just do from scratch. So I'm going to do x and y. Int I equals 10. I less than 14, because I want to go up to 13. I plus plus. Okay. And then I'm going to do j. For int j equals 10, j less than 14, j plus plus. So now we have two variables, I and j, and they're going to go from 10 to 13, system.out.print, and we're going to do I times, not plus, times j plus x plus t, a tab in between. Now what that'll do is print them, like when I is 10, then j is going to be 10, 11, 12, 13. And then when I is 11, j is going to be 10, 11, 12, 13. It's going to go like that. The thing is, we want it to print, to go to a new line. I'll show you what happens. This will all be on one really, really, really long line. Just keeps going, but I want like it in a table, like it shows down here. So after it hits 130, we want to go to a new line. So what you can do, that's right here. See, when I is 10, then j is 10, 11, 12, 13. And then right here, we can do system.out.println, and we have a blank line inserted at the right spot. And then we'll have the times tables done in a little table. Alrighty, have a great day. See you Friday.